So check this out, this is the netvue birdfy feeder. A bird feeder with a high definition wireless camera, smart AI, and so much more. By the way, welcome to the channel, my name is Danny Black, and this is a short, not short, product review, straight to the point and no fluff. So here it is, and in the box you get the bird feeder, which is actually extremely easy to put together, but also comes with a very thorough set of instructions. The bird feeder has a plastic build, but doesn't feel very flimsy, it feels very strong, which also in turn makes it weatherproof all year round. It has a built-in rechargeable battery that can last anywhere between 6 months and a year, depending on how many birds you get, or you can get the solar attachment and just keep it charging all the time. It looks really nice in your yard, it's really colorful, and it's really easy to put your bird feed in. And then you just download and connect the app, and you can watch remotely, record your birds, or let the motion detector and smart auto AI record the birds for you. And even use the AI to tell you which bird it is, since it has a database of over 6,000 types of bird. It has night vision on it and also a light that you can pop on at night. And really, you could just customize how you want to set it up. So you can have motion detection just set for birds, or you can also add other animals, dogs, people, cars, etc. And if a cheeky squirrel gets on there, you could also turn on a short alarm to scare it off. But the app is designed really well, it's easy to use, you can customize it, you can share your videos, and also this can double as a really good security camera. And I would recommend checking it out right now because there's some really good deals going on, and I would especially recommend this as a great gift. I'll have a link in the description, plus there's also a coupon code to save you some more money. Okay, so this would be a great time in the video to show you some of that bird footage. Since I've had this up for 2 weeks, I've even changed locations, added honey, added fruits. I did everything the internet said, and I haven't had a single bird land on it. I suppose patience might be the key, but if you have any suggestions, please leave them in the comments below, and when it does happen, I'll be sure to post them on Instagram. It's actually been a lot of fun having this thing up, and I'm always excited to check it out to see if birds do actually land on it, and hopefully we'll get some birds soon. But thank you for watching this short, not short product review. Don't be a stranger to the channel, and I'll see you next time.
Mr. Black.
Can we call you Uncle Blackie?
No.